When coupled with Ingersoll Rand's time-proven two-stage and single-stage contact-cooled air ends, reliability and efficiency take a giant leap forward. The use of Ingersoll Rand's precision-machined steel rotors, high-quality taper roller bearings, and integral coolant flow paths delivers unmatched reliability. The two-stage air ends are renowned for their trouble-free operation and low energy consumption. They provide increased reliability by reducing the compression ratio required for each stage, resulting in lower bearing thrust loads and hence increased air end life. They also have a unique coolant curtain that reduces energy consumption by injecting atomized oil into the airstream, significantly lowering the energy required for compression. Two-stage air ends provide up to 15% more air than an equivalent single-stage air end, while using the same amount of power. The R-Series delivers innovative design and flexible choice.